Hi, I'm Meggon McCall with Zachos Realty Design Group. We're located in Sarasota, Florida, just south of Tampa, Florida. And I'm preparing a short video for you. It's one of my favorite neighborhoods. When I first visited Sarasota, it left a huge impression on me, and it's Southgate. Southgate's a historic neighborhood located just south of downtown Sarasota. And if you want an idea of where it is, if you look on a map, you'll see Siesta Drive runs right through the center, and it actually takes you right to the north entrance of world famous Siesta Key. In the 1950s, a pair of young developers came to Sarasota and purchased over 1,200 acres of orange groves in response to the post-war housing boom. So Roland King and Frank Smith had an idea for a unique neighborhood where no two homes would be alike. And what they did was they brought in over 50 different builders to show off their craft, and the result is Southgate. A great thing about Southgate is that you're always within a half mile of beaches, dining, nightlife, boating, kayaking, and in under 15 minutes you can be at Ringling Art Museum or even Mayaca State Park. And if you're a mom like me, there's safety knowing that one of the nation's top 100 hospitals is just blocks away. Sarasota Memorial Hospital has been an anchor in the community for almost 100 years. And with over 7,000 staff members, it's also Sarasota County's largest employer. Southgate's very affordable considering its location. And there is an HOA. It's voluntary, but it's very active, planning community social events, and it's only $75 a year. If you have any more questions about Southgate, real estate in general, or interior design, feel free to contact us. We look forward to hearing from you.